So, Marion is from,
From you from
go,
school po ba, Doc?
ha? Anong school mo?
Or UST po.
Sige, Marion, sige, any feedback on these sessions? Quick lang.
Um, Learned a lot po. Very informative. A learning experience po.
Okay, matatandaan mo yung tinuro ko sa inyo, ha?
Yes po.
Sige. You don't have to refer to me basta kung meron kayong pasyente. Okay. I'm the twilight zone na eh. Okay. 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 Marcelino Franco. Sige.
Ah, Siguro sir, very insightful, especially sa like yung emphasis on the clinical approach sa diagnosis ng patient.
Okay. Carissa. Sige, Pula.
Um, um, more on dun sa history and PE, sir. Noted po on your comments. Sorry, sir, nasanay po kasi kami sa previous institution na very, parang mahaba po yung history taking or mahaba po yung history part po, especially po for reports like this po. Pero we'll take note on it po to focus more on or emphasize more on the pertinent information only, sir.
Yeah. Okay. Sige. Thank you. Jan Fernan Gonzalez.
Same lang po kay Marky, sir, na yung appreciation ng clinical skills ng isang physician na parang in this age na parang parang uso na yung battery ng test, mga diagnostics, ng imaging na pinapa-require, na maganda pa rin na ma-develop natin yung kumbaga yung clinical eye natin as future physicians.
Okay. Tal, Heron.
Same lang din po sa kanilang lahat, Doc. Mas nag-stuck in po sa akin yung management algorithm for breast complaints po. So, as a generalist po in the future, we can manage breast complaints po by the clinical presentation from the signs and symptoms rather than from the battery test po. Agad-agad po.
Okay. Thank you. Carl Hufalar.
Yes, sir. Similar lang din po. Appreciate yung how you ano ba, perspective of diagnosing patients po clinically. And also important yung uh, decision making po in ayun po in making tests po like for your diagnostics po.
Okay. Thank you. Pamela. Irisari.
For me po, sir, it was very informative and practical po, sir, since very systematic yung flow. So it's very easy to follow that po, sir.
Okay. Thank you. Okay. Thank you for your perseverance in this session with me. Let's have a group picture taking before we sige. Can you take
I'll
also a
take the
picture?
photo po, sir. And I'll send it to you na lang po.
Okay.
1, 2, 3, smile. Sorry, wait lang. Okay, 1, 2, 3, smile. Okay na po.
Okay. So, okay na. So we'll call it a day and then we'll see each other if we have a chance to see each other in PGAs. No? I usually go there once in a while. No? Okay. Okay. Goodbye.